Here's a tip I've given talent for years. Talk to the camera like you're talking to one person. Just like in personal branding, you need to know who you are talking to, and you also want to look right into their eyes as if they are that lens. When you picture that one person who needs this message, your delivery becomes warmer, clearer, and more confident. You stop looking and sounding awkward, and you start sounding sure of yourself. And that will make you appear more press ready than you know. To start thinking like a producer as you lean into your content online in 2026, be sure to check out my podcast, Think Like a Producer, on YouTube.